Hello good people, I'm going to talk about Pythagoras' theorem. It is a very handy theorem to know, and it applies to right-angled triangles only. In essence, it allows us to calculate the length of one side of a triangle as long as we know the length of the other two sides. So how does this work, or how did this come about? Well, let's look at our triangle here. It has three sides, A, B, and C. Now suppose I draw three squares, and the side length of each square will be the length of one of the sides of a triangle. What do I mean by that? Well, let's look at side A here. I'm going to draw a square whose sides are the same length, and here it is. So the length of the side of the red square is same as A. I'm going to add a square whose side length is equal to B, and here it is. And now I'm going to add a square whose side length is equal to C, and here it is too, the purple square. Now it turns out that if you add the areas of the red square and the blue square, you will get the area of the purple square. So I could write capital red A for the area of the red square plus capital blue A for the area of the blue square equals capital purple A, the area of the purple square. Mathematically speaking, what is the area of the red square? Well, the length of its side is A, so the area is A times A, or A squared. What about the blue square? Well, same story. The side length of the blue square is equal to B, so the area of the blue square is B times B, or B squared. What about the purple square? Again, same story. The side length of the purple square equals to C, which means the area is C times C, or C squared. That means that I could write A squared, so the area of the red square, plus B squared, the area of the blue square, equals C squared, the area of the purple square. So this means that if I know A and B, I can calculate C. For example, let's say that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. What will be C? Well, let's use our formula. I'm going to substitute my values for A and B. So that means that I will have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25 equals C squared. And if I take the second root of both sides, I will get 5 equals C. And this is essentially Pythagoras' theorem. If you have a right-angled triangle, and if you know the length of two sides, you can calculate the third side by using this handy formula. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.